Hello, students. Welcome back to our English session. Today, we shall study a wonderful story about a young girl called Yona Mine, who was an expert karate player. So, children, please open your textbooks to lesson number 2.7 Yona Mine and Bushi. Let us start with the first paragraph. Please keep your textbooks open. Yonamain Chiru was the most admired girl in Okinawa. She was intelligent, tall, strong, big, and beautiful. And most important of all, she was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. When it was time to get her married, her father, who was a rich merchant, began to worry. He loved his daughter and wanted her to be happy and well cared for. She was beautiful and she would inherit a fortune from him. But where oh where could he find a young man who would come forward to marry a woman who was stronger than him? So, children, in the first paragraph, we come to know about a girl called Yonamain. And how was this girl? She was a very intelligent, a tall, strong, and a beautiful girl. And not only this, but she was an expert karate player. She was so well in karate that it was highly impossible for anyone to defeat her. Now, this young girl was of a marriageable age. Now, generally, like all the other fathers, her father, who was a rich merchant, was also worried about his daughter's marriage. He loved his daughter a lot, but the only thing that made him restless was how to find a suitable young man for his daughter, as no one would wish to marry a woman who was stronger than him. Now, let us proceed to the next paragraph. Yonamain had her own ideas about marriage. She declared firmly, I will only marry a man who can beat me in a fair fight. Surprisingly, many young men picked up the challenge and came forward to fight her. After all, she was a beautiful girl with a fortune. Fortune means with a good luck. Many wrestlers were eager to win her in a contest of martial arts. Martial arts means fighting sports like karate. Okay. So children, here we can see that Yonamain too was a grown-up girl and was quite matured. That means she had her own ideas about marriage. So she had a firm opinion that she would marry a man who would be able to beat her in a fair fight. As per her wish, many young men accepted the challenge and came forward to fight with her. There were many men who wished to marry her because she was not only beautiful and smart but was also very lucky. So many of them decided to win her in a contest of martial arts. Now let us see what actually happens. One of the first to ask for her hand was Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamain. He was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovels. Shovels means like tools. And his legs resembled, that means his legs were similar to that of a tree trunk. But he played foul. Foul means he cheated while playing. Even as Yonamain was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent, he threw a punch at her, breaking the rules of the game. Yonamain was angry. She caught hold of his arm and twisted it so powerfully, twisted means turned it so powerfully that the unsportive Kojo fell down in a heap. Heap means pile, and had to limp away. That means he could not walk properly and was defeated. So, children, the first one to fight with Yonamain was Kojo. Now, this man Kojo had a well built body. That means he was bigger and stronger than Yonamain. He was so strong and tall that his hands seemed to be like shovels, that means like tools, and his legs were just like a tree trunk. But he played the game through unfair means. That means when Yonamain was bowing to him to show respect, he threw a punch at her, breaking the rules of the game. At that moment, Yonamain was very angry. She just caught hold of his arm and turned it so powerfully that Kojo fell down and was thus defeated. Now let us see who was the next one to wrestle with Yonamain. Many promising young wrestlers tried their hand, but Yonamain defeated them all. Her father was in despair. Despair means he was worried, he was in a very sad mood. Young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husbands. Who would marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? Bushi Kyo was just such a man. He had trained under the karate master Sakugawa. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited. Recruited means he was selected, he was appointed by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be his personal guard. So, children, here we can see that many wrestlers tried to defeat Yonamain but were not successful in their attempt. So now her father was really very worried because he felt that majority of the boys wished to marry girls who could cook, wash and make tea for their husbands. So now you see, children, that Yonamain's father was really worried by the thought that no one would be ready to marry his daughter. But his worries were reduced to a certain extent because Bushi Kyo was an expert wrestler. He was trained under the karate master Sakugawa and had become so expert that he was appointed by Shoko as his personal guard. Coming to the next paragraph. His friends said to Bushi, "You should take on the challenge of this girl, Yonamain. She may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her." Bushi too was keen to marry a girl like Yonamain. He did not want a delicate, fragile girl. Fragile means a weak girl for a wife. "I shall fight with her and win over her," he decided. Yonamain was impressed at the sight of her new challenger. She had heard that he was one of King Shoko's personal warriors. He was tall and slim. He stood firmly on his feet and seemed unshakable. Above all, he had dark piercing eyes. Piercing eyes means eyes that seem to notice everything, which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. So children, here we can see that Bushi, as we all know, was a very strong and an expert wrestler. So his friends forced him to accept the challenge and to have a fight with Yonamain. And Bushi too was interested to marry with a girl like Yonamain. He too was not willing to marry with a girl who was very delicate and very weak. So at once he decided to have a fight with Yonamain. Yonamain was impressed to see her new challenger. He stood firmly on his feet and had dark piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. Now let us move ahead to the next paragraph. The wrestling match began. Yonamain and Bushi bowed to each other and then began to attack each other in earnest. They punched, kicked, and twisted using their best techniques. It looked as if the match was going to be a tie. Nobody winning, nobody losing. So now children, what happened? The wrestling match had already started and now it was a very interesting match. The match started and both Yonamain and Bushi bowed to each other as a part of respect. And then they started attacking each other. They used their best techniques. The match became so interesting and worth watching that it seemed as if the match was going to be a tie. That means nobody was going to win the match and nobody was going to lose the match. Now let us see what happens next. But at a crucial moment in the fight, crucial means important, Yonamain paused. Paused means she stopped, ever so briefly. Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a swift punch. Yonamain's father was a very happy man. Bushi and Yonamain were married in a splendid ceremony. Splendid means in a good ceremony. So, as the match was going on, what happened next was that at a very crucial moment, Yonamain stopped. Now her opponent, that is Bushi, took advantage of this moment and brought her down with a swift punch. Yonamain's father now was really very happy. Both Yonamain and Bushi soon got married. So children, we shall end our lecture here and in our next lecture, let us study the happy married life of Yonamain and Bushi. Till that, for homework, please read the lesson up till where it is taught. Thank you.